We're staying in the Antigua municipality to go off the beaten track. However, this favourite of mine technically is beaten every day, not by feet or wheels, but by waves. To get the best out of this track, timing is everything, with the real treasure only revealed at low tide.
It never ceases to amaze me how beautiful this place is, especially this time in the afternoon where it's just coming on for sunset. The tide is just coming in, so it's perfect for swimming here in the lagoon in Caleta Fuste. If you're nimble enough to make the climb, it's certainly well worth doing. Obviously, check out the tides, make sure you come at low tide. This really has to be the ultimate ocean view swimming pool here. The rocks are nice and warm where they've had the sun on them all day. It's a nice place to be. You definitely need shoes to be able to make the climb down, and you've got to watch the barnacles, watch the slippery bits as well. Just tread carefully and you'll be absolutely fine. There are plenty of fish to share the pool with. It's a fun little expedition. The birds are tame here. They're very cute. Beautiful spot. Anyway, the lagoon's starting to flood now, so I think it's best time to pack up and move on. I've got to rescue my shoes now.